guys, welcome back, or if you're new here, welcome. My name is Lisa. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I wanted to come on and share with you really quickly a little item that I purchased, and if you follow me on Instagram and my Instagram stories, you already know where it came from. It came in this little box. I had it delivered and it came from Dior. So of course Dior always does their magnificent packaging. The reason I ordered this online was I happened to be on the Dior website and saw this item, but by the time I saw it, it was already sold out. I believe it was introduced for Valentine's Day. And don't ask me why I wanted this item. I honestly don't know if I'm gonna end up keeping it, and I'll get into that a little later on in the video as to why. So they released it, I believe, for Valentine's Day, but by the time I saw it on the website, it was all sold out. So I went into the Dior boutique, and of course they didn't have it. They basically didn't have any at any Dior boutiques in California. Okay. Let's see what, this is my receipt here. Let's see the little note that I wrote to myself this time. So this one actually says, "Be fabulous." And I know I always write a little note to myself, so I guess I just wanted to be fabulous that day. But anyway, hey, why not be fabulous, right? So I ended up ordering these. You actually have to buy them separately. So here they are. Come with a cute little dust bag that says Dior on it. And you can probably already guess what they are. And they are the ABC Heart Tribal earrings, and they are in gold. Super cute. The reason why I say I don't know if I'm gonna end up keeping these is because, let me just show them to you. So they have the pearl that goes on the back of the ears, and then they have this front part which has red crystals, and it has this little gold star in the middle of them. Super cute, along with this little pearl at the top. And as all the tribal earrings go, they come in two parts. So this pearl part goes behind the earlobe, and this goes in front of the earlobe. And they're just really cute. I'll probably have to put a separate picture on the screen here. These actually don't come as a pair. You have to purchase them separately. So when you buy them, you have to buy each one individually. Yeah. So here's the other one. Same thing. And let me actually show you the card. I will have all the information in the description bar below, as always. And the reason why I said that I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep these is because I just thought they were really cute on the website, but I'm not much of an earring wearer. I just don't think about wearing earrings. I'm trying to get better. I'm one of those weird females that really doesn't wear all that much jewelry, and I just oftentimes don't even wear earrings. Like when I wear earrings, people actually notice, like, "Oh, you're wearing earrings today." Even my husband can, he's like, "Oh, you're wearing your earrings today." Or people at work, "You're wearing earrings today." And I don't know why. I used to wear earrings all the time, but now I just don't for some reason. And I don't know, I'm trying to get better at it, trying to start wearing them again, but I just don't think about it. And maybe because of work, I'm on the phone a lot, and they just kind of seem to get in the way of talking on the phone, having the phone up to my ear. I don't know. Anyway, these are pretty expensive for earrings, and they're basically costume jewelry, so I don't know if I really want to keep them just because of that reason, because they're expensive. And like I said, I don't really wear earrings all that much. So I don't know. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below, if I should keep them or if I shouldn't keep them, or whatever your thoughts are. I'm gonna get some cotton balls in here. Excuse me for a second. So I can sterilize them. But anyway, So they are pretty expensive just for costume jewelry, and like I said, I don't really wear earrings all that much, so I just thought they were really pretty and really cute. They were out of stock at first, and then they actually came in stock, and I'm like, no, Lisa, you don't need those because you don't wear earrings. And then they kept going in and out of stock just a little. But anyway, they're gold on the back. It actually says Dior on the back of this. And let me just try them on really quickly. So look, I actually have some alcohol. Yay, and 91%, so lucky me. Now, because of the coronavirus, people are totally stalking us at work for these. Let me take my other earrings off. So the heart goes in the front, and then this goes in the back. And that's how they look. They're actually really cute. I don't know, but I just don't know if I should keep them. We'll see. Let me sterilize this one. So yes, I actually have some alcohol. Because of this coronavirus, now alcohol is flying off the shelves and is in super demand because people are making their own hand sanitizer with alcohol and aloe vera gel. So anyway, yeah. Let's put this one on. Yeah, they're actually really cute, but I don't know if I should keep them. I think they're actually cuter on than you can probably see on the camera screen. But I actually like them. They're actually really girly and really feminine and really pretty. But like I said, sorry guys for the noise. But anyway, like I said, I don't know if I wear earrings enough to keep them. I don't know. And they're pretty expensive for costume jewelry and for a person who doesn't really wear earrings. But I actually really like them. They're really pretty. So I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna keep them. Let me know what you guys think. So anyway, thank you so much for letting me share. Let me know in the comment section below if you think I should keep them or if I should send them back. And I also am gonna have a video on some new fragrances that I picked up. One of them being this one in this box. Any guesses to what it is? So freaking amazing. This smells so, it's get your entire life, okay? But anyway, I'll have that video coming up soon of some new fragrances that I picked up. I'm super excited. But yeah, anyway, if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. On my channel, I focus on luxury, fashion, beauty, fragrance, and travel. So I'd love for you to become part of my YouTube family here by subscribing, and you can always click the little bell icon below so you'll be notified each time I happen to upload a video. Thanks again for watching, you guys. Have an amazing day and an amazing week, and I'll see you on my next video.